Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making slime using glue and kids toothpaste. It's Savannah.
And this is Chloe. So we are going to be making toothpaste slime using the ingredients she just showed you guys. So first what we're going to do is get our cups right here using our spoons. So we're going to pour toothpaste in them.
Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you guys have ever done this video.
So here's my toothpaste. So now what you're going to do is mix it.
I think I need more.
And now what you do is get some glue. You have to pour it in there.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, and now what you're going to do is mix it.
Whole bottle, guys. Just open this little tap because if you add too much, then this honey is not going to work. So I poured it in.
So this is what it's looking so far.
I'm right now mixing.
So now you gotta put. Sometimes you gotta put in more.
Right now I'm mixing mine, and it feels weird. Let me feel it. Oh god, it feels weird.
Now you have to sometimes put in more glue.
Either you have to put more toothpaste or it's glue. Make sure to use not too much glue and not too much.
So now mix it again until you're satisfied and it turns into
Comment down below if you guys have ever made slime before, because we have like a million times. Gosh. Make sure to subscribe, like, and view our videos all day. Check out the latest video.
Sometimes you just need to add more glue.
Money's working.
Okay, so sometimes add more glue and now keep mixing it.
Does this always work, guys? Probably not. This is a tester thing that we tried before. It has worked. But will it work with this kind of glue? Because this is a little different. So
unfortunately, this is what we got. It didn't turn into much.
Sorry, guys.
It didn't turn into slime.
But it was real fun testing it. I mean, that was fun testing it.
So this definitely was a fail. So, sorry, we didn't know it would turn out this way.
This was just a testing video anyways.
So, thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.